I have literally spent years wanting to build my own software company. And this year, I finally started. Cannot wait. And I'm hoping that this channel is going to document every step of it if that's something that you're interested in. Whether that be AI tools mainly is what we're going to be discussing here, as well as a bit of indie software, or if you're just interested in watching someone code publicly from scratch, usually, then you're definitely in the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Ryan and welcome to the channel. Before anything else, I just want to explain what this channel is and why it exists. So as I've already mentioned, for the longest time I've had a huge dream of building my own software company. This has been going on for quite a few years now, but it's only started this year. And what's pushed me into sort of hopefully make this dream a reality is realizing that YouTube could be a huge part of this journey. So that's what this channel is. It's the story of me trying to build that dream in public and hopefully build it into something real, along with a lovely real community, if that's what we can even say on YouTube these days. But yes, let's hope that that comes along with it as well. So this is SicoBrock Limited. This is the dream company in question, and this will be everything, the umbrella for everything that I build publicly on YouTube going forward. So you can visit this at SicoBrock.co.uk and you can have a look around at my recent projects. This is a live company. You can hire me for a developer if you like. And this is the business that I'd like to build. And YouTube is that journey for harnessing that journey. So yeah, hopefully you'll check this out. And if you have any interests, please get in touch. So the problem. All coding starts with a problem to solve. And my problem was I discovered vibe coding, if you like. I am a professional developer, but I started to test and play with vibe coding and realized quickly that sometimes for very small projects, you don't actually need, and I know this is going to go against all developers' opinions, but an IDE, sometimes this can just do it for you, especially if it's very small, build the app, run it for you. And you can test it in a live environment and things like that. So I was tired of having multiple terminal windows, multiple coding agents open, and the solution to that was to build my own kind of coding playground, coding agent playground. So I've called this Foreman because this is, you are the boss of your own coding agents. And without further ado and me talking to infinity and beyond, let's take a look at Foreman and see what you think. So let's take a quick look at Foreman in its current state, and we'll just start by asking it a very simple question. So as you can see, we do get a terminal output, very nice display as well. So obviously this is just a quick question, but as you can see, we can create brand new builds. So let's do that now. And we can just say, as it suggests, my cool app. We don't want to scaffold a folder because this is just for test demo purposes, but let's create that. So now we get all our own nice little menu, a nice little dashboard for each build, let's say. And then what we can do is give each build certain tasks. So we could say and ask Sonnet 5, would it be easy to make my own VPN app? And let's just see what we get back from there. But as you can see, I've already got multiple projects going. SicoBrock is the website we've just been looking at, but I've got no live tasks in that yet. I have built a stream manager. Hopefully when I'm streaming live on OBS, this can help me. But if you can just look at the prompt here, and I'll try and scroll as slowly as I can, you can see that it built this application within this prompt limit, as you can see. So there was only literally 3 interactions from me, and the next thing it was in the browser, and it was working. So this is the power of Foreman. and this is a very quick demo just to show you the beauty of it, the power of it. If you are a developer and you have tested AI, you know that it has got better and better and better. So it is now able to prop up apps. It does now have full context, and we can use it in such a way where we can leverage that power and let that do the long legwork for us, and we can just be the human behind the driving wheel that still has the hand on the wheel, but yeah, we just steer it in the right place. So more demos on Foreman coming up, and if it's something you think you'd like to try yourself, it is completely free. There is a core version of it on GitHub where you can add 2 coding agents and get them working for you straight away. There is also multiple different small add-ons that can be added into Foreman, so I will just show you one of those very quickly. I have made a thumbnail maker, so you can drop in an image here, tell it what you want, and it will generate you YouTube thumbnails that you can then edit and add text to. I've also created an image compressor, so you can compress those images first if you like, and an OBS overlay creator, and you can possibly see some of these that I've created recently, maybe not, but some of these are really cool that it's created. So you can see the power of this, and this is built inside of Foreman, just using an AI agent to take over this job. And this will be an installed add-on for pro users who get access to the marketplace. So thanks for listening, and there'll be definitely more demos coming up with Foreman. Get excited, this is very exciting, and it's my main application that I'm working on at the minute. Foreman is available right now on GitHub, and I will drop the link below, so please check it out if you can. So what's coming up for the SicoBrock Limited channel? A deeper dive into Foreman for sure, and we can build some applications. I've got some good ideas for some live demos, so I will be going live on YouTube. Please look out for that. And also other AI tools under the SicoBrock Limited umbrella, and anything else that we build publicly. And to be honest, the main crux of the channel is an honest look into what it's going to take to try and build a software business in 2026, where that can be very competitive, I would imagine. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. This is literally just the beginning. Links to SicoBrock and Foreman in the description, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.